before we will see the concept of what is meant by cylindrical coordinate system and what will be the unit vectors for this cylindrical coordinate system, as well as the range of parameters or the range of variables for the cylindrical coordinate system. Now let's move on to the another important concept for the cylindrical coordinate system to find out the differential line or differential surface and differential volume. Okay, that's be the very important. So here you can see this be the diagram I will be taken. You can't take your full cylinder. Okay, you have to be take some half of the cylinder like that. Okay, there you can see I will be replaced here cylinder here. What I have to do means I will just cut one part of the cylinder. Okay, so just like you can see this be the cylinder. Okay, I will just put it here like this. Okay, what I have to do means I will be just slices or cut it some part like this part only. Okay, slices this part. What I have to do means after the slicing that part I will be name it as an some variables, that be the A, B as well as the C and D. Okay, here this phi be the azimuthal angle. Okay, the total angle be the 2 pi. That means we have to be set that be the azimuthal angle. That means 0 to 360 degrees. But differential means you can't consider the full axis. That means the full rotation. You have to be taken and phi be the original axis means if you want to take then some small for that phi, that will become the d phi. Okay, this phi be our original. That means that be the azimuthal angle. This d phi be the small. Okay, for that phi that will become the d phi. Okay, and similarly and rho be the radius. Here what I have to do means I will be taken this be the some slicing part. I will be name it as A, B, C and as well as in D. Okay, our rho be the of original radius. What will happen to the small radius? Small means we have to be do the differentiation. That will become the d rho. Okay, and similarly here this be the z axis, right? This be the z axis. For that I will be taken this be the total height, right? Here you can see from origin to this z axis, this be the total height. What I am taking means I will be taking this length only, or okay, here I can't take this much of from 0 to z. I can't take. I will be taking this much only. Okay, that will become the small, right? Compared to this will become the dz. Okay, here you can see whenever you have to be cut this part only. Here you can see it will be like just like in this be like a curve, right? This be just like a curve, not be the normal surface. This be like a curve. Okay, here the curve be like this. Okay, if here you can observe one thing, here just like an arc, right? This be look like an arc. In the mathematics, how you find out the arc distance? How you find out the arc distance? This be just like an arc, right? Arc distance. How you can find out the arc distance? That will become the radius into angle. Radius into angle. That B will become your arc distance. Right? What will be the radius? Radius be the rho, right? Rho. What will be the angle? Angle be the phi. If I want to just take the small angle, that will become the d phi. Next, here this will become the d phi and this will become the dz. One thing we have to be covered. Here also you can see, if I want to just take a mirror image for this, okay, mirror image for this. Here also you can see this be just like an arc. This be just like an arc. Okay, whatever happened to the mirror image to this here for this arc, this is also will become the rho d phi. Okay, rho d phi. Now next, what my target be the, we have to be find out the differential length for this. For example, if I want to move from A to C, how you can move if I want to move from if I want to move from A to C. So here you can see A C, that B equal to, how we can move, A to B we can move and B to C we can move. Okay, there we can reach our destination variable, that be the C. Okay, how we can move the A to C, we have to move from A to B and B to C. This will become the A to B plus B to C. Here you can see what will be the A to B. A to B will be the arc distance, right? Arc distance will be the rho d5, okay, into a5 bar plus what will happen to the BC. BC be the height. Height be the z-axis. I will be taken a differential. Differential means I will be taken in small. That means I will be taken in small length. That will become the, or I will be taken in a small height. That will become the dz. Okay, plus dz, that's B lies in the AZ bar or AZ cap. This B for the AC. So what will happen to the differential length dl bar? Differential length dl bar, that B equal to d rho a rho bar plus rho d5 a5 bar plus dz az bar. This be your differential length for this cylindrical coordinate system. So this result you have to be remember. This must be the very important. Okay, this result is very important. Next, what you have to do? We have to find out the differential surface. Differential surface. Differential surface. So the differential surface be the, if you want to, you can't take the surface means you have to apply the L into B, right? Have to apply your L into B. Okay, you have to be taken only two surfaces, and here if I want to take d rho d phi, what will happen to the unit vector? That will become the AZ cap. And similarly ds bar, that B equal to, if I want to consider the d rho d phi, what will happen? Your unit vector be the AZ bar. So if I want to consider rho d5 dz, what will happen to the unit vector? That be the a rho bar. Okay, if I want to consider the dz d rho, what will happen to the unit vector? That will become the a5 bar, rho phi zs complete. Okay, this be your differential surface. What will happen to the differential volume? This be the very important. Okay, for the differential volume, it may be asked in our competitive examination point of view. Differential volume. Okay, so differential volume means you have to be considered. One more thing I will be tell you, for the differential length means you have to be do the single integration. Okay, if you want to do the surface means you have to do the double integration. For a volume means you have to be done the triple integration, that be the 3 times integration. Okay, Here this will become the triple integration d rho d5 dz. Okay, what will be the lower limit and the upper limits? You already know. Here what will be the range of parameters? Rho, right? Rho from the 0 to, you can't take the up to the infinite. Okay, you have to be limited yourself, not taking the infinite. What will be the range of parameters for then rho, phi and z? For n rho, that be the 0 to infinite. For phi, that be the 0 to 2 pi. What will happen to the z? Z be from the minus infinite to plus infinite. This be our range of parameters for the cylindrical coordinate system. But you can't take your upper limit be the maximum, that be the plus infinite. You have to be taken in some small volume. Okay, you must have to differential means you must have to be limit yourself. Okay, but you can't take the full volume. Okay, up to the infinite. What you have to do? You have to be taken up to the some rho. You have to be just congested yourself now by not taking the infinite. Before that you will be taken your rho. And what will happen to the phi? Phi be the no problem. Phi be the 0 to 2 pi. That's not an issue. And z, here also z. Z from the minus infinite to plus infinite. It's be that be the full, right? But you have to be congested yourself. You have to be taken a little. Okay, you have to be taken in from z is equal to some 0 to, you have to be taken your z. Okay, now what will happen if you apply the integration? This will become the integration rho is equal to 0 to rho. This will become the rho d rho, and integration rho is equal to 0 to 2 pi. This b for the d5 integration from 0 to z. This will become the dz. So here you can see, if you apply the integration for the rho, this will become the rho square by 2 from 0 to rho, and here differentiation and integration will get cancelled to each other. This will become the 5 from 0 to 2 pi, and here also differentiation and integration will get cancelled to each other. This will become the z, range from the 0 to z. So here this will become the pi square. Okay, pi square divided by 2 into 2 pi minus 0 into z minus 0. Okay, so my final result be the rho square by 2 into 2 pi into z. Here 2 will get cancelled to each other. This will become the rho square pi z. Okay, this z be the height, right? This z be the height. How we can represent the height? So this will become the rho square pi h. This will become the volume of the cylinder. This will become the volume of your cylinder. Volume of cylinder. Okay, this be your differential length and differential surface as well as the differential volume for the cylindrical coordinate system. Whatever the results I have to be tell you, that be the very important for your GATE examination point of view, as well as your university examination point of view, and as well as your competitive examination point of view. But you can't do this much of analysis whenever they will be asked the question. You just have to be remember this formula. This formula is enough. We have to be directly put in our problems. Okay, that's not an issue. And here this differential volume, these results you have to be remember. Okay, they will be asked what will be the differential volume for the cylinder. You have to be directly tick your answer, that be the rho square pi h. Okay, in the next class we will try to see the what will be the spherical coordinate system and what will be the different important relationships for the spherical coordinate system, and as well as the how we can find out the unit vectors for the spherical coordinate system. Okay, thank you. you.